Hello everyone, welcome to Customer Connect Tutorials. In today's video we're going to go over how to create a club card. Now a club card has three main purposes. The first is that it can be issued to specific groups of our customers such as veterans or senior citizens to create a sense of membership. Secondly, they can be issued as gift cards. And lastly, what we will not cover in this video is that the club card can also be issued in the rewards catalog and be earned using points. But now let's move on to our first topic. The club card can be issued to specific groups of our customers, such as veterans or senior citizens, in order to achieve special discounts in the store. Now, the club card is bought. So the first step to do is go to the Clover register and create an inventory item. The way we do this is going to the register and clicking on the button labeled inventory. Here what we want to do is, if we go to categories, we see we already have a category for club cards. We can select this and add a new item. So what we want to do today is create a $40 club card that gives people who purchase it 20% off on all of their purchases. So we can name this 20% club card. Next we have to give it a price. So as we said, we can make it $40. And most importantly, we have to issue a SKU on which this item is issued. The SKU can be any number you'd like as long as it's unique. Once we've typed everything in, we go ahead and click Save. And now we're ready to get on the internet and visit the www.customerconnect.biz website. Here we want to sign in. And this brings us to the dashboard that hopefully many of you are already familiar with. Next, what we want to do on the left-hand side, we want to click on the tab labeled Offers. The first and most important step is to go ahead and sync our inventory at this point. This pulls all of our information from the Clover system and makes sure that it's synced with the CustomerConnect.biz website. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and click on New Offer. And what we want to do is create a club card. Once we get to the Create Offer portal, we're asked to give our club card a name. So we can call this 20% club card. Next, we give it a unique type code. And we decide after what date we want to start issuing this club card. So here we can go ahead and select today's date. And we're also asked after what date do we want to stop issuing the offer. So for this we can go ahead and click some date far off in the future. So as we said, what we want to do today is offer a 20% discount. So in the discount fields, we type in 20 and we make sure that it says percentage. Next, we're asked if we want to apply this discount to specific products or to the entire order. We'll go ahead and select the entire order, but if we wanted to, we could specify the club card's use on specific product categories or even specific SKUs. Next, the most important question we're asked is what SKU to issue this on. So here we want to select the SKU that we went ahead and created already in the Clover inventory. And we see that because we synced the system, it's already available here in the drop-down menu. Next, if we wanted to, we could specify that the club card can be used during specific days of the week or even during specific times. If we wanted to, we could also offer bonus points for using the club card. Next, we're asked how many days should this club card be valid for. So let's go ahead and say that our club card is going to give members a year's worth of discounts. Here we can type in 365. The last step is to go ahead and upload an image for our club card. Once we've done this, we go ahead and click Save, and we're brought back to the Offer Management portal. Here we see that our 20% club card is awaiting approval. Before we go ahead and lock it, what we want to do is make sure that we go ahead in the right-hand corner column labeled Actions. We want to edit our offer. Here we can make sure that all of the parameters are to our liking. Click Update. And now we're ready to lock and approve our offer. Once we've locked and approved our offer, we can go ahead and see how it's used at the register. So let's say a customer comes in and they go ahead and they want to purchase the club card. We ring them up, and when we get to the pay screen, we look up the customer using the Customer Connect button. And we select our customer. Now all we have to do is ring them up as we normally would by paying. Now let's say the customer wants to use the club card, so they come back into the store and they make some purchases. When they're ready to pay, we again look them up on the using the Customer Connect button. And here we see that the 20% club card has automatically been placed inside the customer's wallet. We also see a grand total of how much saving they've accrued so far. So we go ahead and select the customer. And here we see that our 20% discount has automatically been applied to their order. So we can ring them up as normal. That's it, that's all there is to it. We have successfully created a club card that gives card holders a 20% discount on all of their purchases. Now, the next way that a club card can be used is as a gift card. So, in order to create a gift card, we first have to create the inventory item in the Clover register as we did for the 20% club card. We add a new item, and let's say we're going to create a $50 gift card. Again, the most important step is making sure that we identify this product with a unique SKU. Once we've created it, we go ahead and click Save. And now we're again ready to visit the customerconnect.biz website. Now, before we can create our offer, we must once again sync our inventory. Once we've done this, we're ready to create a new offer of type Clubcard. We go ahead and give our gift card a name and a unique type code. We select what date we want to start issuing it and what date we want to stop issuing it. Now, for the discount, because this is a gift card worth $50, we want to apply a discount of 100% to the entire order. We want to issue it on the SKU of $50 gift card that we already created, and we want to give it a max benefit of $50. Once we've done this, we can go ahead and upload an image and save our offer. But we must make sure that we pick a valid up to date. So again, we can go ahead and say that this gift card is valid for 1 year after it's been issued. So we can type in 365 and click save. Again, we want to go ahead and quickly edit our offer to make sure that all of the parameters are to our liking. Click update. And now in the right-hand column labeled actions, we can go ahead and lock and approve our offer. Now let's go back to the Clover register and see how it's used. So let's say the customer comes in and they buy the gift card. When they're ready to pay, we make sure that we look them up using the Customer Connect button as we normally would. So now here, what we want to do is whoever the gift card is for, that's the customer that we're going to select from the Customer Connect button. So for example, let's say I wanted to buy this gift card for Wakar. I would give Wakar's name at the register, and the teller would look him up and select this customer. Now let's say the customer comes in and they buy some items. When they're ready to pay, we look them up again as we normally would. And here we see that the gift card has automatically been placed in their wallet. We also see that it has $50 remaining. So we can go ahead and select this customer, and we see that the gift card has automatically been applied to their purchase. So we ring them up by paying, and that's it. That's all there is to it. We have successfully created a gift card in our Clover inventory. We have watched a customer come in and buy it, and we have watched another customer come in and use the gift card for their purchases. Lastly, just to show you, when a customer comes in and they use their gift card, their purchases are automatically deducted from the gift card's value in the Customer Connect system. So let's say our customer Wakar came back in and made a second purchase. When we look him up using the Customer Connect button, we see that the $50 gift card has a remaining amount. And we see that his previous purchase has automatically been deducted from the gift card's value. So we can go ahead and select the customer again, and we see the gift card has automatically been applied. And again, that $5 will automatically be deducted from the gift card that's in the customer's wallet. So that's it. That's all there is to it. We ring up the customer as we normally would, and we have successfully now created both a 20% club card and a $50 gift card. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please stay tuned for more videos.